East Calle Marita, Colvin Broadway.
You need to pull it up here.
26 years old, extremely drunk and violent. He pulled a shotgun and knife, fighting.
Was it in his hands?
Yes, he punched me.
So where is he right now?
He's in the house. I'm outside. His mom's in the house.
Okay. Where did you last see the weapons at?
I got the knife here with me. We got the shells out of the shotgun.
Okay. And he pointed the shotgun at you guys?
Yeah, we got the shells away from him. He comes in and out. He's really, his attitude. He's been in rehab and he's not supposed to be drinking. As far as I know, it's just alcohol. But he's the worst kind of drunk ever.
Who else is at the house, or is it just you three?
It's just is my wife and I, myself, and
okay, gotcha.
Our dogs. I got the dogs put away, and the gun is disarmed, so he's not. He won't be able to fire.
Sure there's no other shells somewhere in the house?
Oh no, yeah, I'm positive.
Okay.
We got those all away, and I got the knife. It was a folding knife. I got it with me.
Okay. Do you have a vehicle you could sit inside for now?
I'm okay. Yeah, he's in the house, not coming out.
My standpoint.
Yes, sir.
I don't know him. I know that you know him, but I don't want him coming out and trying to get physical again. Even if you don't think that's what's going to happen, or trying to wrestle the shotgun shells away from you. So what I want you to do is either, if you have your car keys on you, get in your vehicle, just drive down the road real quick, or walk down the road. I don't want you right in front of the house. And there are officers on the way. Okay.
What caused for you to call 911? You didn't tell him to call 911?
I probably said call 911 to get Jake to stop. And it's not something that I thought he would ever really go through with.
Okay. Did his demeanor change when Jake knew the cops were coming?
Yeah.
Did he say anything? Did you tell him anything?
I didn't really say anything.
You said you were crying.
Yeah.
What happened?
He said death by cop.
Okay. That's what Jake said?
Yeah.
Did you tell the officers that?
No.
Okay.
And he has obviously weapons in the house, it sounds like. A shotgun.
He's got my shotgun, and then he's got a rifle. He's got 22.
A 22 rifle?
Yeah.
Okay. And whose rifle is that?
That's his.
Where does he usually keep it?
Under the bed. The shotgun's mine.
Got it. Any other handguns or any weapons in the house?
Yeah, but they're all away.
Does he know where they're at, or no? Okay. What kind of weapons are inside the house, other than?
I got a .357, a 9, and another 9.
Send the dog! 40! Stop, Jake! Stop! Here! Hold back! Here!
It's a gun! Gun! Gun!
Just a gun! You got a gun!
It's a gun! Gun! Gun!
Just a gun!